my name is Haley and welcome to my freshman year dorm tour. I have 2 weeks left of school, but this is when I'm gonna do it, and you wanna know why? Because I do have 3 essays to do, and I would really rather do actually anything else in the whole world except write them, so thank you for enabling my procrastination. Hey, what's up? Yes, I have 2 weeks left of school until I will officially be a sophomore in college, which is the craziest thing I've ever heard. I remember watching dorm room tour videos all the time, the summer before freshman year, and so I wanted to contribute to that ever-growing pile on YouTube because not only for you, but mostly for me, because I want to be able to watch this video back and see the room where all the magic happened, you know? How many nights did I spend rolling around in my bed, screaming, doing my computer science homework? Well, I should clarify, not completing my computer science homework. Oh, so many memes. Also, I just wanted to say I already filmed this intro, actually now several times, but this is the one I'm gonna use, and the reason why is because I will play back the footage and I will only be able to see my bad skin. And yes, I do have a lot of acne going on right now. Don't know why. It could be finals week, could be how oily my skin is. Acne is cool, and actually if you don't have oily skin, stop watching. This is actually acne only zone now, so thank you. I am an anthropology major. Chapman does not offer anthropology, but I self-designed. I also recently applied to be a television writing and production double major, so that's really exciting. I'm going to hear back for that in June, and I really hope I get that. And here we go! Dorm room tour! Yeah! This is the front door. We use it to come in and out of the room. It's a very good door, and it does lock with our key card, so it's fantastic. This is my corner of the room. Ooh, these posters up here I put up after Christmas, and my friend Alex gave them to me. Creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. It doesn't matter who said that. This one is from The Color Purple, one of my favorite quotes ever, from one of my favorite books ever. This one is from My Brother and Me, the television show by the McElroy brothers, and my true obsession and my saving grace this freshman year of college. Holy cow, who would I be today without the McElroy brothers? I honestly don't know. This is from The Raven Cycle, one of my favorite books of all time. This quote just gets me. This one is also from My Brother and Me, if you can't tell, because it has Bust a Nut in it. I mean, who else is going to have said that? This is from Les Mis. This is from Six of Crows. This is when I get paid, because I work for the newspaper, and I gotta get that stacks of paper. These are the dates. This is the Hamilton playbill. Not that I've seen Hamilton, but at least I have that playbill to remind me it exists and is that source of beauty in the world. And there's a good old Hamilton quote to inspire me. This is where I keep my key card I use to get in and out. And it's really helpful to hang this by the door, and I've never forgotten it once this year, so shout out to me. You have my laptop and all of its crazy stickers. And this is the bed. I have a mattress topper on it, which obviously, I mean, yeah, that's the only way to do it. I can sit up. The lights are from Michaels. I have this little thing full of various underwear type things, my sketchbook, and my bed used to be raised like my roommate's beds, as you can see here. But when I had that fall first semester, Chapman came in and helped me lower it, and that was really nice of them, and I just kind of kept it, even though I'm now walking great. And underneath it, you can't see, because I geniusly hid it away, I have my hamper and some shoes, and I'm sure papers and old water bottles. This is our closet situation. We kind of split it into 3. That's my section that I have open. And it's very spacious. I keep some stuff up there, keep my clothes here. It's great. This is a postcard my friend Anna sent me from Iowa. Love her. I brought some pictures from home, and then some of these I took this year. This is a letter my friend Alex sent me, and she also gave me all these beautiful postcards for Christmas. I just love her so much. It's nice to have some friends on my wall who inspire me to work hard. This is from my friend Fiona. She made it for me, and it's so cute. This is my roommate's mom sent me this Valentine. I just love it so much. And my honors mentor gave me this. If you have any questions about honors, also hit me up. And also my roommate gave me this beautiful birthday card. I think she completely nailed it. On my desk I have this photo given to me by one of my best friends, Natalie. She also gave me the frame. Too cute. And my toothbrush, keep it out here. Some various desk supplies. It's nice to have. I really like having this because it has a charger in it, so I can just plug my phone right into this lamp instead of having to run it through. I have some books. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Lots of books here. My desk is pretty spacious. Yeah, if very messy. But you know, I like to think of it as chaotic, but good enough. This is the door to our bathroom, because in Glass Hall everyone gets their own bathrooms. Ooh, let's adventure inside. Very lovely. Now, there's some pros and cons. The pro is that it's in my room and I can sing in the shower all I want to. I fear nothing. So that's really nice. And there's a bathtub, so I can take some good baths. I think a con is that we have to buy our own toilet paper, which can be a little bit difficult sometimes, and we do have to like clean it ourselves. So, but I've learned how to be pretty good, you know, good enough. Oh look, there's me. And then when you leave the bathroom, we look. This is my roommate's side, my other roommate. Here we have our big window facing Moreland, and lots of stuff here. We have our fantastic Keurig, Brita, both essentials. Toilet paper, not toilet paper, paper towels, another big essential. This nice microwave and fridge unit. If you're coming to Chapman, I really recommend buying it through Chapman because that's the only way you can get both. And they've both been fantastic. This is where we keep some food and some miscellaneous books. This one's mostly mine. I got silverware back here, snacks, and love raisins. Comment down below if you're a raisin head like me. Got some good books. I argue is the most beautiful part of our room are these lovely headshots by a musical theater actress named Desiree Staples. How we found this work of art is my roommate's mom came into town and she rented a car. And we were all in the rented car and we found this girl's headshots and resume, and it was just too good. We really admired her genius plan to spread her brand. And so now Desiree Staples is really our fourth roommate, and it wouldn't be the same without her. And of course we have our air conditioning unit. It works fantastic. You just go right here and, ooh yeah, that good air. And that concludes my room tour. Thanks so much for watching.